Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYCC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. But before anything else, I'm going to, because of this gap down here, that's kind of throwing off the proportions. So I'm going to move the chart all the way over here, and that way, there we go. We can, just makes the chart easier to see now. So, and what's this question that I referred to that the chart makes an easy job of answering? Well, that whole question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move from where it was to where it ultimately closed. I think all rational people would say, yeah, today was a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the very logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at, what is that? The $1.80 mark. Why is the $1.80 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.80. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying this will happen, but let's say the price comes all the way down here and then does something like that. What would you have even after a drastic pullback such as that? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be right here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $1.80. As far as levels of resistance, to be honest, I'm not going to focus on any of those because in my opinion, at this point in time, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority. Top priority for the chart is simply going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move on the Bulls part today. Now things transition to the question of, can the Bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.